Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Kingston model HJ-1700. That's a 17-inch swing, 67 inches between centers. Morse taper number 4 tailstock with a drill chuck. No brand I recognize, but that's what was in it. Live center. About a 10-inch 4-jaw chuck. Faceplate. We have a follow rest, unfortunately no steady rest. Those are the pads to go under the level screws. Has a phase 2 tool post, 2 slotted holders, a Morse taper holder and a boring holder. It's a 10-inch Bison 3-jaw chuck with reversing top jaws. 5C hand wheel collar closer, spindle adapter, and dead center that fits in the spindle. This machine came out of a high school, a Votech school that was making room for some new CNC machines coming in. It's in great shape, ways are fine, no wear on the ways. Minor little dents and dings in the backsplash and paint, but machine's in great running shape. Right now we're in the high range, looks like 650 RPM. Nice and quiet. We replaced any handles that were missing, bent, broken, whatever. Should longitudinal feed. Cross feed. Brake works. Keep the speed up a little bit. This is 950 RPM. Now we're moving. Cross feed still engaged. Carriage feed. There'll be a threading dial. What is the low speed for? Let's see, that would be medium. This is low speed, 52 RPM. Screws are pretty tight. Minor amounts of backlash. Overall, a nice clean machine. We had gotten 5 or 6 of these out of the school. We sold, I believe, 2 or 3 of them already. We have a couple left. They've been sitting around just because we haven't gotten around to ordering handles and doing a handful of little maintenance items that needed to be done on them. But overall, a nice clean machine. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your toolroom and fabricating needs. We'll be listing the other Kingstons as we get time, or you can give me a call. My cell phone number's on the website.